Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an important AI tool for research. So if you are struggling to write a research paper, especially when you are struggling to make perfect sentences in your research paper, so this AI tool will be very useful for you. This AI tool comprises of different kinds of phrase bank where you can use that phrase for your research paper writing. For each section of your research paper, starting from introduction, literature review, and then proposed system explanation, results and discussion, so up to conclusion. So what are the important points we have to write in each section of research paper? So for this all the sections of research paper, so this AI tool comprises of phrase bank. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how you can use that AI tool for research paper writing. So this is the AI tool what we are going to discuss today. Refer and write. So this is a refer and write academic software. So this is the dashboard of this refer and write software. So here you will be having different options, especially related with our research paper and academic writing. So academic phrase bank, paraphrasing tool, plagiarism AI checker, knowledge hub. So in this academic phrase bank, so you can find a different kinds of that is phrases for each section of research paper. Next, this one will be a paraphrasing tool which will be very helpful for you to reduce your plagiarism, and also it is having an important option called humanizer. So next one is plagiarism and AI checker. So you can check your AI and as well as your normal plagiarism. So and then this is a blog which comprises of different kinds of blog which will relate to research paper writing. So we will explore one by one. So first to open academic phrase bank. So this is how the academic phrase bank look like, the largest collection of academic phrases. So this is the important point, we have to check it out. Phrase bank. So in this phrase bank, so you can see introduction, problem, solution and difficulties, literature review, previous evidence and findings, research gap, your work, section, intro, scope, materials and methods, measurements and calculations, technical statements, data collection and processing, data analysis and presentation, statistics, error and discrepancies, results, discussions, reasons, causes and explanations, figures, plots and tables, explain or describe, general statements, acknowledgements and others. So these are the different options are available. So first we will explore this introduction. So in this introduction, so you can see importance of your topic, about research domain or topic, active research area. For example, so if you want to present the importance of your topic, importance of your research topic, so you can just click on importance of topic. So these are the different phrases available in the importance of the topic. So this represents an important topic to study because, so you have to give the valid details for that. So this is the topic of pivotal importance in, so there has been increased recognition that more attention needs to be paid to this area. So you have to mention this particular area. So like that, so you can use these phrases. So after that, for example, say I am going to open literature review. So in this you can see drawbacks of previous studies. So you can just click on drawbacks of previous studies. So you can use this kind of phrases in this drawbacks of previous studies. So none of the issues were explored in the results presented in, so you can mention the references here. So another important constraint on all the work discussed in this area is, so you can mention the reference details. The work, or you can mention the reference, suffers from the same limitation as, so you can mention another references here. So like that, so you can use this phrases, so for all the research paper related and academic related writing, so you will find the phrases. So these phrases will be very helpful for you to make perfect sentences for your research paper, especially in every part and every section of your research paper. The research gap is the important point, so where you have to mention important things. So these are the important things you have to mention. Limited previous studies, unexplored research area, research questions, lack of solution, need for research, need for a better method, understanding, need for more studies. For example, so you can just click on research question. So these are the phrases where you can use in the research question section. So like that, so if you are struggling to make perfect sentences in your research paper, so you can come on this phrase bank and you can get you can check whatever you want, and you can get an idea related to the idea related to the proposed, that is your proposed system, whatever you want to present in your research paper. So next one is writing ideas. So you can just click on writing ideas. So in this writing ideas, it leads to subscription option. So after subscription only you can use this writing ideas option. So other than that, for example, so in this phrase ideas, so I am going to copy this phrase here. So you can just click on phrase ideas. So it will analyze this content and it will give what are the different points you can change in this particular option. So like that, it will give some phrase ideas, and then it will give get writing ideas. So in this get writing ideas, so you can see focus groups, recent advancement. So like that, intro to a literature review. So again, so for the particular phrase we have copied, so these are the possible phrases where you can use to present in literature review. So this is how you can formulate different kinds of sentences, phrases using this phrase bank. So this one will be very helpful for you to make a high quality research paper. So especially using the same kind of that is research academic style of sentences, that will be very helpful for you to grasp the attention of reviewers. So thereby whenever they are reviewing the paper, so if it is in academic tone, so then the possibility of your research paper selection will be more. So this is how you can use this academic phrase bank option. So hope you can get an idea about this academic phrase bank. So next tool what we are going to discuss is that paraphrasing tool. So as like a normal paraphrasing tool, you can copy and paste the content here. So here you can have different option: academic proofreader, paraphraser, humanizer, AI director, word choices. So first I am going to use this academic proofreader. So here you can see, so this is how it will proofread the sentence. So whenever you are submitting your research paper in any of the journal, so a common point will be given by reviewers is that, so proofread your paper or improve the grammatical mistakes, typos and punctuation error, or improve the language in your research paper. So in order to proofread your paper, so you can use this kind of option in order to proofread, and you can that is change the sentences, you can eradicate, that is avoid the grammar mistakes and the typos, errors, punctuation error, as well as you can improve the quality of your research paper in academic style, that is in academic tone. So this is how you can use this proofread option. So next one is paraphrasing. So it is like a normal tool which is used to paraphrase the content. The important thing is that, so you can get three different option: option 1, option 2 and option 3. So this is the paraphrased content. So whatever the content satisfies you with the paraphrasing, so you can use any one of this option. So especially when you are in your urge to reduce plagiarism in your research paper, so you can use this paraphrasing tool option. So rather than going for a normal paraphrasing tool, the common paraphrasing tool like Quillbot, so you can use this kind of option in order to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So next one is humanizer. So you can just click on humanizer. So it must be up to at least 60 words. So I am going to copy the content up to 60 words and I am going to paste here. Let us check the humanizer. So whether the humanizer is working in free trial or not. So we are using in free trial, we have not signed up. So yes, here you can see that this is a human written text. So here you can see with increasing awareness in the usage of renewable energy sources, it has changed it to as more people become aware of using renewable energy sources. So like that, the research, instead of research focus, so it is changed as research interest. So it is paraphrasing well as like human. So you can try it out. I have not checked the plagiarism coming out from this particular tool. So it is just a trial option. So after subscription, you may give more number of words in order to reduce plagiarism. And also if you are struggling with AI plagiarism. So you can use this kind of tool also in order to reduce AI plagiarism in your research paper. So this is the option called humanizer. So next one is AI director. So you can just click on AI director. So 0/8 sentences are likely AI generated. So all the content are written by human. So yes, it is written by human. So like it is correctly checking and giving the content. So next to word choices. So these are the proper choices of words. So instead of awareness, you can use insights. Instead of usage, so you can use utilization or application. Instead of regulate, so you can use govern. Instead of comprising, containing, so like that word choices will be given. So if all the word choices are appropriate for your research paper content, so you can use that word choices also. There is no need to search for synonyms for any particular words. So this one will be very fantastic option. So these are the important things available in this paraphrasing tool. So next one is plagiarism or AI checker. So in this plagiarism or AI checker, so you can upload your document. So it will be checked by copyleaks. It's not by Turnitin. So it will be checked by copyleaks. So if you want report related with your plagiarism with copyleaks, so you can use this option. So next one is knowledge hub. So in this knowledge hub, you can see different types of blogs related with AI and chatbot, methodology, writing research paper, how to make study limitation sound positive. So like that, Vancouver referencing style, citation examples. So these are the different blogs are available. So if you are find any blogs useful for you, or if it is work out for you with your research paper writing, so you can check the blogs also. So these are the different kinds of option available in refer and write. So this academic phrase bank is a fantastic option. So if you are struggling to find the perfect sentences for your research paper in academic tone, so you can come to this academic phrase bank. So frame a sentences for your research, and you can use it in your research paper. So this is all about this refer and write academic software. Hope you can get an idea about this refer and write software. So go on and explore this refer and write software and make your research paper writing simple. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.